Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tiny library box is probably one of the most charming and creative ways to share your love of reading with your community. In this video, we will walk through everything you need to know about building and maintaining your own outdoor tiny library, from choosing the right location and materials to designing a structure that's both functional and visually appealing. We'll also explore some creative ideas for decorating your library box and making it a unique addition to your neighborhood. Number 5. Tiny Library Cedar Shelf. This charming little library is perfect for any book lover. It's handcrafted from durable cedar and fully assembled, ready to add charm to your space. It's built to last with problem-resistant cedar and exterior-grade plywood for the roof and floor. This ensures it can withstand the elements. With its generous interior dimensions, it offers ample space for your favorite books. The adjustable shelf allows you to customize the storage. It arrives fully assembled, so you can start enjoying it right away. No complicated setup required. It features an asphalt shingle roof and is constructed from weather-resistant materials, protecting your books from the elements. It's built to last. Everything you need is included: hardware, brackets, screws, and easy-to-follow illustrated instructions. You'll also need a screwdriver, wood glue, and a 4x4 post for installation. What we like? It's handcrafted from cedar, ensuring durability and a rustic charm. It arrives fully assembled, saving you time and effort. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want a charming addition to your outdoor space, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and the craftsmanship is outstanding. These boxes will be used for food and books for neighbors who wait for the bus outside our church. We painted, sealed, and installed them. They look great. The library has stayed weatherproof, even through a long winter. This is a very nicely made and sturdy product, clearly crafted by a loving hand. It will last for many years. Number 4. Simplay 3 Dig-Free Library. It's the easiest way to share your love of reading with your community. No digging or posts needed, simply place it and start sharing. With its unique design, it can be installed above ground, indoors or outdoors. Say goodbye to digging and hello to convenient book sharing. It features an easy open door with a secure magnetic catch. This keeps books safe and dry, no matter the weather. The convenient look-through window lets you easily browse and find the perfect book. It makes selecting your next read a breeze. Made from heavy-duty plastic, it's built to withstand even the toughest weather conditions. It will stand the test of time and the elements. It's incredibly simple to assemble and install. Just add sand to the weighted base, no digging or posts required. What we like? Its unique design eliminates the need for digging or posts. The easy open door with a magnetic catch keeps books safe and dry. If you need a convenient and weather-resistant option for any location, this is ideal. What people say. It is strong and well built. It's been a year and so far it's proven to be quite weatherproof. Ours faces west and I have yet to see a book get soggy or even wet. The assembly was fairly straightforward and not difficult at all. It took me about 20 minutes to put it all together minus the sand. I found the instructions easy to follow. Number 3. Simplay 3 American Home Library. It's the perfect addition to your community, encouraging the sharing of books and fostering a love of reading. Its charming design will complement any outdoor space. This adorable library features a classic brick schoolhouse design. The large plexiglass door allows for easy browsing and responsible sharing. It has an easy open hinged door with a secure magnetic catch. The raised floor keeps the books dry and protected from the elements. Made from sturdy, double-wall plastic, it's built to last. It won't rust, crack, peel, or warp, saving you time and money. This two-piece design is incredibly easy to assemble. Simply attach it to a standard 4x4 post, sold separately, and you're ready to share. Bring the joy of reading to your neighborhood with this delightful and practical little library. Watch as your community thrives with shared stories. What we like? It features an attractive brick schoolhouse design that welcomes community sharing. The large see-through door makes book selection easy. If you want a low-maintenance, durable, and visually appealing option, this is perfect for you. What people say. It handles a fair amount of books and I make sure to check it every day and switch things up if they don't move out in a reasonable amount of time. It holds a good amount of books but is a little short so it won't hold tall picture books unfortunately. Books stay dry when it rains. I have had this up for 2 years now and no problems at all. Number 2. Little Free Library Kit. It's easy to build your own little free library. This kit contains everything you need to get started, and it's made in America by the organization that started it all. This book sharing box helps build community and sparks creativity. It's a wonderful way to share your love of books with your neighbors. You only need a drill for assembly. All the instructions and materials are included in the kit for a quick and easy setup. The included guidebook provides setup instructions and helpful tips for successful stewardship of your little free library. Register it and receive your official charter sign. This gives you access to our world map, a Facebook stewards group, and other great benefits. Become part of a global community that shares a love of reading and building community. Your little free library will make a real difference. What we like. You'll be supporting a nonprofit that promotes reading and community. It's easy to assemble, requiring only a drill. If you want to be part of a global book sharing movement and support a great cause, this is the one for you. What people say. The finished product is exactly as advertised. Would recommend this for anyone looking to build one of these. The wood was good quality, stained well, and the finished product looks great. Easy to assemble. Took an hour to assemble and varnish. This is amazing. It was not the easiest to assemble, but when we got it done it was awesome. People started taking and leaving books in there every day. It is a great way to form a community. We set it up in the front yard and it looks great. We decorated it for Halloween and it is working great. I would encourage you to get this product. Number 1. Tiny Library, Stain and Varnish. This charming little library is perfect for any backyard or garden. It's built to last with high-quality materials and a beautiful finish. It's finished with a weatherproof spar urethane, so it can withstand the elements. You can enjoy it year-round, rain or shine. It features a durable asphalt shingle roof, keeping your books safe and dry. This adds to its charming and protective design. It's ready to install on a standard 4x4 post. Simply attach it to your existing post for a quick and easy setup. Please note that the 4x4 post is not included with this purchase. You will need to provide your own post for installation. Start enjoying your new outdoor reading space today. It's the perfect spot to relax and unwind with a good book. What we like. It boasts a durable, weatherproof finish to withstand the elements. The asphalt shingle roof is already installed, saving you time. If you want a low-maintenance, attractive option that's ready to install, this is a great choice. What people say. This came beautifully crafted and finished, with clear instructions on how to post it. This is the whole kit, and it's not flimsy or questionable at all. The workmanship is really admirable. Free library box was sturdy, well-built assembly, exceeded expectations, was well finished on all exterior sides and roof, and front door pane is thoroughly sealed. Interior walls, shelf and bottom should be spray sealed by purchaser, though. Furnished hardwares were a complete package. Very well built with quality materials. There's no way I would have built it this well. I love that it's made with cedar and finished great for outdoor weather. Everything was included to mount it to a post if others wish to do so, minus the post. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.